This video will demonstrate how to use Google Scholar and access at MMULibrary. Google Scholar is a search engine that provides access to scholarly literature such as dissertations, articles, abstracts and books. Access at MMULibrary is a service that enables you to see if you can access a specific text via Manchester Met Library. You can use Access at MMULibrary within Google Scholar, where links will appear next to a specific search result if we potentially have access to it. Please note the presence of an Access at MMULibrary link next to a search result is not always a guarantee that Manchester Met Library provides access to the full text. If you are using Google Scholar on campus, Access at MMULibrary will already be activated. You can access Google Scholar via the URL at the top of the screen or by typing Google Scholar into the Google search box. To use Access at MMULibrary with Google Scholar off campus, you will need to configure this yourself. You do not need to be signed into a Google account to do this. From the Google Scholar homepage, click on the three horizontal lines at the top of the page and then click on Settings. Next, click on Library Links. Type Manchester Metropolitan University into the search box and click the Search button. Ensure that both available options are ticked: Access at MMULibrary and Library Search. This will also enable quicker access to full text articles when using Library Search. You can then click Save and return to the Google Scholar homepage. Your device is now enabled to use Access at MMULibrary with Google Scholar. Type in your search terms, for example, study skills and higher education, and click Search. On the results page, click on an Access at MMULibrary link where available to see if you can access the full text of the article. If full text is available, you will be redirected to the following page. Click on Download PDF. In some cases, you may be redirected to this page. Click on the View Full Text link. If there is no full text available, you will have the option to request the item. For more help and information, please email library@mmu.ac.uk or visit the library website.